Mastering lasagna, perfect oven timing.
Hello, lasagna lovers. Today, we're going to delve into the delicious world of lasagna, and specifically, we're going to talk about how long your lasagna needs to cook in the oven at a specific temperature. This is a crucial step in achieving that perfect lasagna texture and flavor. Let's get started.
What factors influence lasagna cooking time?
The cooking time of your lasagna depends on a number of factors. Size of the lasagna. A large lasagna will take longer to cook than a small one. Oven temperature. A higher temperature will cook your lasagna faster, but may not cook it evenly. Ingredients. Some ingredients, like raw vegetables or large chunks of meat, may increase the cooking time. Pre-cooked or not, if your lasagna noodles and meat are pre-cooked, the lasagna will need less time in the oven.
What is the recommended oven temperature and time?
When baking lasagna, it's generally recommended to use an oven temperature of 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. For a lasagna made with pre-cooked ingredients, it should be baked for about 25 to 30 minutes, until it's heated through and the cheese is golden and bubbly. If your lasagna is made with uncooked ingredients, you'll need to increase the cooking time to about 60 minutes. However, you should always check for doneness by inserting a knife into the lasagna. If it goes in easily, your lasagna is done. It's also recommended to let your lasagna rest for 15 minutes after baking, before slicing and serving. This allows the flavors to meld together and the lasagna to firm up a bit, which makes it easier to slice.
Can I adjust the temperature and time?
Absolutely. If you want a lasagna with a browner and crispier top, you can increase the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and decrease the cooking time slightly. If you prefer a softer top, you could lower the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and increase the cooking time. Remember, the key is to check the lasagna periodically to ensure it's not over or undercooked. So, there you have it. The inside scoop on how long to cook your lasagna in the oven. Remember, these times are approximations and may need to be adjusted based on your specific recipe and oven. Happy baking, and enjoy that delicious lasagna!